So how can you turn off the disappearing messages in WhatsApp using the iPhone? Let's get started. So it is pretty simple because you can basically just open up the WhatsApp application and get inside of any of your chats right there. And what you can do is to click on the person's name at the top right there, and you have the ability to get to the disappearing messages. And this is basically the timer for the messages. It is like relatively a new feature, but you have like four options. You can turn it off, obviously, and outside of that, you have three different time frames. So you have 24 hours, a week, and 90 days. And basically, after that time, the chat or the messages disappear, right? And if you want to turn it off, then make sure you have that set to off, and it will be, good to go. Outside of that, what's important to know is that you also have the option to send a photo like that. And before you do send it, you have some options to like decide to give it a caption and whatnot. And next to the text field, you have a icon with a number in it. And you have that turned on, you essentially just get to the view once messages. And this just sends a disappearing photo. So this might be something that you have in mind too. So if that is the case, you can also just ensure that before you send any kind of message, you will just not pick the number right there. And this is how you can also turn off the disappearing messages, but mostly in a sense of sending photos and videos that can only be viewed once. So I hope that it makes sense. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to fix that issue for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit a thumbs up on the video to let me know about that, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.